I'm going to start with a concept that I call the flaw of averages. I'm not going to tell you what the mathematicians call it, because that always triggers post-traumatic statistics disorder, or PTSD, which is one of our big enemies in this process, is scaring people off. That means that if we really expected 10 patients to come in, the average fatalities would be 1, that is 10% of 10 patients. And Engwee has used this approach to extract uncertainty from the CDC forecast. So here's something I call chance calc. And I'm going to plug chance calc into the wall socket and get the electricity. But Engwee is going to talk about how he generated the electricity from data at the CDC. So I'm going to start with I'm in my data, and I'm going to click this button up here to get the data out. Your chances day by day of exceeding the 400 beds. But look what I have now. There's an 84% chance on day 1 into the future.
What the model then does is it transforms that basically into a quantile table. So we're just going to save it and say save.
I should let you know what that really means. If you are interested in learning more about this, we can't open the website up to everyone because it'll crash. You must have all kinds of other supplies at Kaiser Permanente where you have to do this surge management. But wouldn't you rather have that chance be 5% rather than 95%?